the two emotions that screw people up the most are anger and fear. When you're afraid, you don't do what you need to do. When you're angry, it just shuts you down. And the antidote is one emotion, and that's gratitude, as corny as it sounds, because you can't be angry and grateful simultaneously. You can't be fearful and grateful simultaneously. So I do this process where I change my body, and I just do this 10 minutes every day. I did this morning, 5 a.m. It's insane, but it's only 10 minutes. So my deal with myself is, if you don't have 10 minutes for yourself, you don't have a life. And I do this radical change in my body, and I take 3 minutes, and all I do is think of 3 things that I'm really grateful for. And I make one of them something simple, like my child's smile on his face, or the wind on my hair, something like that. But the bottom line is, what I do is I see it, I feel it, I bring it in my body. So it's like, remember I said most people are, wired for frustration or anger, and they got a dirt road to happiness. I wire myself to gratitude, and by not going into the anger so much, it becomes a dirt road to happiness. So you gotta break the pattern. If you don't use it, you lose it. That's true of good things. Like if you don't, faith unused doesn't grow, it shrinks. Passion unexpressed gets less. Anger unexpressed will weaken, but you need an alternative, and you need to wire yourself. And it would probably take you 10 minutes a day if you really wanted to.